Here is how we can disable app permissions on the iPhone. So let's get started. Let me show you how it works. If you are new here and first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Of course, whenever you open up like a new app or you download it from the App Store, it might ask for permission to access your photos or the camera, microphone, and so on, right? And this can be changed in the settings later, of course. The best way would be to open up the settings app and find the section almost at the bottom entirely, which is called privacy and security. You get inside, and in here you get to manage all of the different parts of the phone and which apps can access it. So as I said, you can find the camera section and see which third-party app have permission to access your camera, right? So you might want to keep it for, I don't know, social media apps, but some random apps perhaps do not need it, right? So you can revoke or disable the app permission to access it. And obviously there are more things like the microphone and the location at the top, and so many other things like the motion and fitness data. Some apps might want to access that, right? So that's how you can find it. If you, on the other hand, want to go specifically app by app, you can as well go to the main settings app and find apps at the bottom and choose the application from the list, right? And you'll see in this case as well, like app by app, like you can open up a social media app right here and see all of the things which that particular application can access or which permission it has, right? So that is like another way to achieve the very same thing. But that is all for me. I really hope that I could help you and explain the process of how it goes. Let me know what you think, subscribe for more, and I hope to see you later in future videos too.